Well, the weather's getting warmer, the sun is shining, and that means we're putting our sun visors to good use. And if yours, like ours, have been on a lot of adventures over the years and starting to show a little bit of wear and tear, we're going to show you just how easy it is to swap some new lenses onto your Rosen system. All right, so swapping out the lenses is really easy. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. There are 3 screws that you have to keep track of and the lens strip. Take out our old lens, swap on our new lens, and there we go. Now we just gotta do the other side. And now the best part, peel off the paper. And that's all there is to it to swap the lenses on your system. Make sure and take advantage of our lens sale going on right now. We have 20% off all of our lenses or 30% off when you buy 2. That's using the code and the link in the description below. Just wishing you sunny skies from all of us here at Rosen.